Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video we will talk about a very important concept of HTML which is named as inline elements and block elements. So this is a very important concept. Without these concepts you cannot understand HTML properly. So let's get started towards the video. So guys, in case if you are new on this channel or in this video, so I tell you that we started a new course called HTML course for beginner, and we also uploaded some course like Canva designing course and Pinterest marketing course, so you can also watch them as well. So if you want to learn, if you cannot understand these things and you want to learn HTML properly, so you can go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section and access the playlist of HTML course for beginner and watch it thoroughly. So let's get started, and I open the Visual Studio Code. And here I created a new file, and here name it HTML block inline elements. Sorry, I made a mistake. I do not give extension of HTML. That's it. So what are the block elements and what are the inline elements? So block elements, the elements are the elements which cover space of whole. Like it start from a new line, and when we write another element after that, then this element also start from a new line. So I uh, show you with practical example. I write here p text. This is block element. After that I again write this is second block element. Control S. Sorry, I go to HTML practice folder, and here I access this file HTML block inline elements. So this is block element, this is second block element. As you notice, the space it should cover is just this, but this element covers all the space, and this is also cover all the space. So that's why these are the block elements. But I also show you with some another example. So I write here style attribute, style and background color red. Okay, and again in this style background color and aqua. So in this case background colors covers the whole element, so it will show us the space of the element. So as you can see, this is a block element, so it covers the whole space, and it is also cover the whole space. These type of elements are called block line elements. So now talk about the inline element. There is a tag called span. We will study this in future, so you just understand that this is an element of HTML. So here I write this is an inline element, and I again copy this, Control S, and let's see what happens. So as you can see, this is an inline element, this is an second inline element. It covers only this space, and it covers only his own space. So I also give them background property so that we can easily understand. I copy this property from here, and here I paste it, and I copy this property from here and paste it here, and Control S for save. Now you can check this, it only contain his own space. So these are the blockline inline element difference. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.